Click on the link below to get price. The REMKO Dehumidifier LTE 60 ECO is a robust solution for managing humidity levels in larger spaces. With an impressive air output of 465 cubic meters per hour, it effectively tackles dampness, making it ideal for homes, basements, and offices. One of its standout features is its energy-efficient design, consuming only 760 W, which is particularly beneficial for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable environment. The device is straightforward to set up and operate, featuring a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily adjust settings according to their humidity needs. The built-in humidity control sensor is a valuable addition, automatically adjusting its operation based on the room's humidity level. This ensures optimal performance without unnecessary energy consumption. The dehumidifier can efficiently extract up to 60 liters of moisture per day, making it highly effective in combating mold growth and musty odors, particularly during humid summer months or in damp environments. The design of the REMKO LTE 60 ECO is practical, with durable wheels that facilitate easy mobility. This feature is particularly advantageous for users who wish to move the unit between different areas. The water tank has a generous capacity, but the option for continuous drainage is a game changer, as it eliminates the need for constant monitoring and manual emptying. Noise levels are another crucial factor, and the REMKO dehumidifier operates at a relatively low decibel level, allowing it to run quietly in the background without disrupting daily activities. In conclusion, the REMKO Dehumidifier LTE 60 ECO offers an excellent balance of performance, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features. It stands out as a reliable option for anyone seeking to improve air quality and comfort in their living or working space. Its combination of high moisture extraction capacity and thoughtful design makes it a worthwhile investment for long-term humidity control.